Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn metals and not metals of class 8th. What do you mean by a metal? So metal is nothing but a solid material that conducts heat and electricity, hard, shiny, malleable, fusible and ductile. Metal are substances that have the tendency to donate electrons. They are electropositive in nature. It means any metal is nothing but an opaque substance, fusible, ductile, and typically lustrous substance that are good conductors of electricity and heat. Usually, we use many metals in our daily life, right? Let us see non-metals. Non-metals are those which don't hold the characteristics of metals. Means they are not good conductors of heat and electricity. They are not hard and shining like this. Physical properties of metal. The first is sonority. Sonority is the property of producing a ringing sound when struck. Most metals are sonorous in nature. Next is malleability. Malleability is the ability of a metal or metal alloy to be formed into a variety of shapes by hammering it or rolling it into thin sheets. Malleability is a physical property just like hardness or color. Physical properties are properties that can be observed without changing the identity of the matter. Next is ductility. Ductility is a crucial property that describes the ability of a material to be stretched, pulled, or drawn into a thin wire or thread without breaking. In the picture, you can see copper metal. Next is electric conductivity, the property by which metals facilitate the flow of electric current through them is called electric conductivity. Odd metals are good conductor of electricity because they contain free or mobile electrons. When these free electrons conduct electric current. Silver is the best conductor of electricity. Since silver is expensive, copper and aluminium are commonly used for making electric wires. These metals are next best conductors of electricity. However, if you see iron and mercury offer great resistance to the flow of current. Therefore, they have low electrical conductivities. So, we have seen physical properties of non-metals like sonority, malleability, ductility. Malleability is nothing but we can beat the metal into thin sheets. Ductility is nothing but we can give the shape of to any metal, right? We can make it into thin wires. Conductivity is nothing but the metals are a good conductor of heat and electricity, so the electricity can pass through them, right? Let us see an activity. Let us do an activity to check the electric conductivity of a metal. So in this activity, we have to take a electric circuit with a battery and bulb. Close the circuit using an iron nail as shown in the figure. Okay, so like we are doing, okay, we have to drill the holes, and if you want to make it at home, you can make it like this. We need a small battery, small bulbs. Okay, if you touch any material or the metal, you will see that the bulb will glow. So all the metals will conduct electricity. So this means materials that allow electricity to pass through them and make the bulb glow are called electric conductors. Let us see physical property, metal and non-metal. So in physical property, conduction of electricity, yes. In non-metals, no. Conduction of heat, yes. And in non-metals, no. Malleable, yes. In non-metals, no. So all the properties which the metals will show, it will not be shown in non-metal. Okay, so it is electric conductivity, malleability, ductile, lustrous, sonorous. Okay, so these are all nothing but the properties of a metal. Let us see observing heat conduction by metals. So the apparatus should be, the arrangement should be like this, and the materials which we are using are iron nail, stick pins, we are using wax and a rod stand, okay, and a split lamp. Okay, so here what we have to do, you have to take an iron rod, stick pins on it with the help of wax. Now fix the rod to a stand, okay, as shown. Hit one end of the rod with a split lamp and see how the pins falls off. So what will happen to the film? Why did the pins fall from iron rod? Because the pin fell because of the heat supplied to the iron rod makes the wax to melt at one end. So the wax which is closer to the flame melted first. So this activity clearly shows that heat moves from one end to the iron rod of the iron rod to the other. So this property of material is known as the conductivity of heat. So all metals will conduct heat. All metals do not have equal conductivity. Iron, copper, aluminium, cooking vessels are preferred due to high conductivity of heat. So on the basis of the activities carried out, we have learned that the properties of the metals and the metals will show the properties of luster, malleability, ductility, sonority, conduction of heat and electricity. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.